English literature, I feel, first and foremost, is a practice in empathy. It's a chance for us to step into someone else's shoes and even escape our own worlds if we need it. Literature and creativity more generally allows people to live, to enjoy life and not just sustain it.
The creative industries in Britain are one of the biggest selling points of this country. As a Canadian who came over here, who's seen that culture, so I think it's so important that everyone understands that the creative industries in this country is what continues to excite and energize people around the world about British culture, and there's still so much to discover.
Melanie is extremely friendly and extremely approachable. She approaches learning from an exciting and an innovative lens. She makes it so that the learning is visceral and real.
My approach is very much about curiosity. Their midterm is what I call a commonplace book, which is something the people in the 17th and 18th century did. They would compile their own commonplace books. They would copy in poems, they would copy in the letters maybe they'd written. And so what I get students to do is recreate that themselves. So it's their job to go and research something that they are genuinely interested in and think how to apply that to what we're doing.
That really excited me and allowed me to see that the humanness of people that we study, and that even in the 17th and 18th centuries, people were using diaries and taking newspaper clippings and engaging in text much in the way that we would now. I was just really impressed by how Melanie was taking such a close, active interest in each pupil, really, and what encouraged them to move forward and enjoy their studies in the best way that they could.
It's so important that we continue to foster the curiosity that makes us want to understand ourselves better. If they really invest in it, and if they really invest in the research and their own writing style towards it, in their own argumentation, you know, it is entirely theirs. And that's what's really lovely to see when they make that transformative leap into being someone who is a creative.